Perfect versus simple past, level 1. So welcome to present perfect versus simple past. In this grammar presentation, we will have a look at present perfect versus simple past for level 1. We will look at the meaning and the usage. Why do we use present perfect or the simple past? If you are still interested in the form or need some more information about pronunciation, have a look at the videos in the post below. There's a video on simple past and there's a video on present perfect where you get a lot more details on each of the tenses. So let's start. No? Let's say enjoy. If you want to take some notes, take some notes. If you want to press pause, you can always press pause. If you have any questions, just write them in the comments. So let's get started. Quickly, just have a look at the form. So have you ever been to Laos? No, I have never been to Laos, but I've been to Cambodia. When did you go to Cambodia? I went there in 2009, but I didn't stay very long. So have you ever been is a question form of the present perfect. I haven't been, no, I haven't been is the negative present perfect. I have been is the positive. And where did you go? When did you go was a question of the simple past. I went there in 2009. That is the positive again for simple past, but I didn't stay very long, didn't stay is the negative for simple past. So when we use the simple past is used for finished actions in the past. Last night I watched a movie. Last night is finished. So watching the movie is finished. So let's have a quick breakdown of these things. So like I said, simple past is used to talk about an action finished in the past. Yesterday evening I had dinner, watched a movie, brushed my teeth, and went to bed. This is something the person did yesterday. Yesterday is finished. We are now today, and all actions are finished in the past, so we use the simple past. Let's have a look at the present perfect for experience. So I've been to Vietnam somewhere from the moment you were born to now I've been to Vietnam. So we're talking about this experience of going there. Did you have this experience or not? So again, a little breakdown. Present perfect is about an experience. Did you have this experience in your life or not? This means somewhere between you were born and now. Did you do it or did it happen or not? Since we're talking until now, it can still change. So maybe you will have in the future you will have the experience, or maybe you'll have it many more times in the future, this experience. But since it can still change, we use the present perfect to talk about an experience and not the simple past for a finished action in the past. Even though it's finished, you can still have the experience multiple times. So because you can still have the experience multiple times and we're focusing on the experience, we're using the present perfect. So you can talk for present perfect as well. You can talk about one experience or multiple experiences. I've been to Spain many times. That's multiple experience. I've eaten crocodile once. It's one experience so far. Again, could change in the future. And I have driven a car 5 times. Again, could change in the future, 6 times, 7 times, 100,000 times. Who knows? So you talk about the experience in general, and we're not using a precise time reference. So I've been to America, which is present perfect for the experience. I went to America in 2002. It's simple past for finished action in the past. Because this one, there's no time reference. It's just talking about the experience. This is specifically finished. 2002 is finished. So we need to use that simple past here for finished actions. So when they're combined, we kind of often use the present perfect to talk about the actions for the first time. So have you been to Bangladesh? This is me asking about this experience. And then you would say, yes, I have had this experience, and no, I haven't. No, I haven't. Have you seen the movie? Yes, I have. So you've had this experience. Then if you want to know some more information about that experience, you would want to ask some more questions. You want to go into detail. And this is when we kind of switch to the simple past. When did you go to Bangladesh? I went in 2005. Who did you go with? I went with a friend. How long did you stay? We stayed for 3 weeks. So all these questions are in the simple past. All these answers are also in the past because they're finished actions in the past. So if we're talking general about the experience, present perfect, if you want all the details, when, where, who, why, all the details about this experience, it will be in the simple past. And then you have been versus gone, because sometimes the students confuse those things. He has been to New York. He loved it. So been here is used to talk about going there, so to go to New York and come back as well. So the person went to New York and came back home. The person is right now home. He has gone to New York. He doesn't come back until next week. So it means that the person has left there, is going there, but the person has not come back yet. This means that the person right now is still in New York. So been, go, and back. Gone, go, but not back yet. That's kind of the difference in those things. If you have any questions, so let me know. This was the present perfect versus simple past for level 1. If you have any questions or comments, write them in the comments below and I will help them. I will help you. For more practice, go to the link in the comments below, as well as the links for the 2 tenses if you need some more information about pronunciation or spelling, things like this, or the more details on the form. You can have a look at the video of the simple past and the present perfect. If you want to see some more videos, I would say like and subscribe. And if you have any wishes, like grammar you want me to explain, or write in the comments below and I'll make a video on it at some point. Depending on how important it is, maybe you will have to wait a little bit, but I'll make you a video on that grammar point. If you need more videos, if you need more practice, you can have a look at my website or on my social media. They are there as well. And as always, now, if you want to keep up to date with the latest new video, I would say follow me on Instagram or subscribe on YouTube, follow me on LinkedIn, or like or follow me on Facebook, and follow me on Twitter, and you will have always the latest video showing there. So I would say go back, go to the website, do some practice, see if you see the difference between present perfect and simple past. If you have any questions still, write them in the comments on the video, and I would say good luck practicing present perfect versus simple past.